This is the famous AC-130 air gunboat. It is famous for its powerful firepower. It can fire 7,200 shells per minute. The firepower is equivalent to an artillery battalion. The design of the AC-130 is based on Hercules. This is a 105mm howitzer. The rate of fire is 6 to 10 rounds per minute. 20mm Vulcan cannon. Ammunition is 98 rounds. Mounted on the sidewall behind the cockpit, 7,200 shells can be fired at targets every minute. 3 cannon. 2,000 armor-piercing rounds can be dumped every minute. 2 tubular Gatling machine. Ammunition capacity is 3,000 rounds. The rate of fire is 1,800 rounds per minute. Let's take a look at his internally loaded ammunition launch. Such a high-profile public. Are you afraid of leaking military secrets? AC-130 air gunboat, length 30 meters, wingspan 40 meters, height 12 meters. It has a top speed of 480 kilometers per hour. Maximum takeoff weight is 70 tons. Usage ceiling 7,500 meters. No aerial refueling. Maximum range 2,300 kilometers. The combat radius is 500. The powertrain is equipped with 4 AC turboprop engines. Power per unit 3,700 kilowatts. So, what do you think? My favorite thing about American weaponry is going public. Invincible. Know yourself and your enemy. AC-130 air gunboats are called the Angel of Death and the Hell in the Sky. This heavy ground attack aircraft is an important attack platform for the U.S. Air Force Special Forces since entering service in 1973. Participated in several major military operations. They include the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, the invasion of Panama, the Balkans, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. Its performance on the battlefield is very eye-catching, capable of destroying a large number of enemy targets, provide powerful firepower support,